Hi guys, this is Jewhawk and I'm back with another epic unboxing. I don't think you're ready for today's unboxing. I already took it out of the outside box because I don't have time for all that. Here we go. Are you ready? We're just gonna look at the box and you'll know right away. It's either a high or a low. Whoa! Dior's. We're gonna take them out of the box. We're gonna be careful with them. They come with some nice insoles. Dust bag. We'll get to these in a sec. I'll show you what's inside. But let's get to the shoes. Receipt from Dior. These shoes are currently going for about $8,000 to $10,000. Who's calling? Is that Michael? The GOAT? Here we go. Here's the Dior Jordan 1 Low. Smells great. We'll take a look. Translucent soles. One with the Dior, one with the Jumpman logo. You've got Dior printed through the swoosh. On the back, doesn't say Air Jordan, says Air Dior. Let's smell them one more time. Those smell amazing. All right, let's take a look at a couple of the extras. Comes with a second set of laces. First thing it comes with is one hang tag, Air Dior. The second hang tag, a Jumpman, just a regular Jumpman. Tell me what you think of the Air Diors in the comments below. Hit that like button. This is Jewhawk signing off. Peace.